Assalamu alaikum. Before you do anything else, pause for a moment, take a deep breath, because if this message reached you right now, it reached you with meaning. Allah says, I saw you crying without making a sound. I saw the tears that never fell in front of people. I saw the pain you hid behind a calm face. I saw the nights when your heart felt too heavy, yet your lips stayed silent. You didn't complain, you didn't explain, you just carried it. And sometimes you wondered, does anyone even know how much this hurts? Allah answers gently, I know. I saw you breaking quietly. I saw you trying to stay strong when you were exhausted. I saw you praying with a tired heart, unsure if you had the strength to ask again. Some pain cannot be spoken. Some tears are too deep for words, and that is exactly why Allah notices them the most. The world only hears loud cries. Allah hears the silent ones. When you cried alone, Allah was there. When you wiped your no tears quickly, Allah was there. When you smiled so no one would worry, Allah was there. Allah says, not a single tear fell without my knowledge. You may feel forgotten by people. You may feel unseen, unnoticed, unappreciated. But Allah has never turned His gaze away from you. Sometimes Allah allows silence because not everyone deserves access to your pain. And sometimes He delays relief because He's protecting your heart from breaking even more. What feels like loneliness is often Allah drawing you closer. What feels like heaviness is often your heart being softened. Allah is not distant from your pain. He is closer than you realize. Every tear you cried silently was counted. Every moment you held yourself together was seen. And know this truth clearly. Allah does not allow pain without purpose. He does not allow tears without meaning. And He does not test a heart without knowing its strength. Relief may not come instantly, but mercy is already surrounding you. Healing is already in motion. Peace is already being prepared. Allah says, hold on a little longer, I am with you. You are not weak for crying. You are not failing for feeling tired. You are human. And Allah loves the heart that turns to Him in silence. If this message touched you, let your heart rest for a moment. Give Allah what you've been carrying alone, because Allah saw you crying without making a sound, and He has never left your side.